everyone! Today we'll learn about the difference between so and so that, both of which are conjunctions. Is everyone ready to begin? When used alone to join two clauses, so is a coordinating conjunction. Let's look at some easy examples. I had already eaten, so I decided not to join them for dinner. Or, Jimmy twisted his ankle, so he had to miss school. When used as a coordinating conjunction, so introduces the effect of a cause. Is everyone following along? Now let's look at so when it's part of the subordinating conjunction, so that. Sally practiced the violin for 2 extra hours so that she would play well at the concert. Or, the boys made sure to get enough sleep so that they wouldn't be tired for their hike the next day. When used as a subordinating conjunction, so that means the same as in order that. We can see that the action before the conjunction allows the second action to occur. We sleep in order to be ready for the hike later, or we practice in order to play well later. Make sense? Be sure to study your conjunctions so that you can become a master of English grammar. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.